Welcome to Spoken Reviews, home of the Spoken Reviews. Welcome to video 4 in our Tesla Cybertruck Wind saga. Spoiler alert, we get it resolved today. Big shout out to Tesla Fort Worth for getting this solved. All right, so again, this is the third time this week having to go to Tesla to try to get this resolved. I think it's important for everybody to always remember that the folks at the service center are not the ones that are building the cars, and that goes for any vehicle. So whether it's Toyota, Ford, Chevy, always be respectful to the folks at the service center. Again, they're the ones trying to fix the problem. They're not the ones that caused the problem. So after talking with them and having to escalate in a very polite and respectful manner, I was able to speak with the shop manager. She was able to look at the vehicle, do some analysis, and get it pulled in, which worked out fantastic. I know there's always a big, long wait. Again, a little frustrated that it was the third time this week, but again, the key thing is to always be polite and be respectful, but also, hold up to your standards. Here's the truck. It's finished, fixed, tighten it down. Again, what they do is they do a dollar test. So if you can get a dollar through there, definitely going to be win. It should be tight enough so a dollar cannot get through there. But again, grateful that this is resolved and I can enjoy the truck. Frustrated that it took 3 visits. But again, that is life. So I'm not going to let something like that hold me down. Going to, remain positive, and just, happy that I can enjoy the truck, right? Truck's looking good. Doing a quick inspection. I'm going to show a video next so you guys can see everything's within tolerance. You can visually see that it's within tolerance now, and now you're going to be able to hear the quietness. All right, so we got the Cybertruck home. Again, super happy that the issue with the wind is fixed. Huge shout out to Tesla Fort Worth, and to the members there. I don't want to, put any names out because I want to, be respectful. But I appreciate you guys. You guys are extremely polite. You guys are professionals. You care about the customer, and that means a lot, right? So again, this is my 4th Tesla. My favorite Tesla, my dream truck, and I'm just grateful that wind issue is fixed. Now we have a couple other issues that were at delivery that we'll take care of in December at the normal visit, but that wind issue was the big issue because we didn't want the water to get in and mess with the electronics. And also it's extremely inconvenient to have that loud wind on road trips, and we do have a big road trip coming up next week. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Again, I think the lessons learned from me is that if you're at delivery and you have an issue with alignment, you might want to consider if you need to accepting the vehicle. Look at the windows because it could be an issue, right? In my case, I accepted, and this is day 8. The issue is resolved, right? So it worked out for me, but again, big shout out to Tesla Fort Worth Service Center for working with me, being accommodating, and getting this done. I can't promise that every service center is going to be like that. Hopefully they will, but I would say that they exhibited excellence on taking care of me. So shout out to them. But again, if you're in a situation that you've maybe had a bad experience with your service center, maybe you think about it, right? Again, there's been about 40,000 of these, maybe 45,000 made and on the street. It's normal for a manufacturing process to have certain issues and getting certain tolerances right. Whenever you're installing a door, you have to get the torque correct. And these are pretty much handmade at the time, right? So they're coming down the line, lots of automation, but a lot of these are pretty much handmade. So you're going to have issues with tolerances, and those types of issues will cause things like wind noise, right? So if you're still an early adopter, you're still going to have some issues. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to see more videos like this, sub to the channel. And you guys have a wonderful day.